Fewer things on this world are better than metal crafting. A welder in your hand, a helmet on your head, harnessing the power of the sun to reshape the world. As you hone your craftsmanship, you'll want to move away from MIG welding and move towards TIG welding. AHP Alpha TIG 200X. When it comes to welding, sometimes you need brute force. The name of the game for this model is control. The price is astonishingly affordable for a TIG, and we think that in terms of best bang for your buck, this is the one to go for. Using the foot pedal allows you to free up both hands to achieve that precision. This welder has proven to be very effective for thinner gauged materials. This unit can work with either 110 or 220 volt outlets, which makes it convenient to use. Miller Electric Synchro Wave 250DX. Some of you do this professionally. You have a garage, you have employees. If this sounds like you, this model is something you might want to consider. This is the most reliable, most trustworthy item on our list, making it the best pick for dedicated professional garages, workshops, and factories. It is a bit expensive, but the price is well worth it, especially when you look at it as the great investment it is. It's also quite heavy. Luckily, this has large, smooth casters for your shop's floor. Hobart EZ TIG 165i. Aluminum is an amazing material. For its strength, it's incredibly lightweight, which makes it perfect for specialty automotive parts. And it's even light enough to be a driving force behind aeronautic designs. For welders, aluminum is frustrating. It's very soft to work with and has a much lower melting point than steel, making it easier to burn through. This model is a pro for doing TIG work with aluminum. The cost isn't the cheapest, but it's not crazy expensive either. Thanks to its built-in inverter, it can use AC or DC. Lincoln Electric Precision TIG 225 K2535-2. Every once in a while, we come across something unique in the world of TIG welding. This model is big, it's powerful, it's heavy, incredible amounts of control, and it's quite expensive. While pros love it, we're still recommending this advanced machine as the best on our list for beginners. Why? The users absolutely love it. Beginners praise the machine for making them look like experts with strong and clean welds every time. If you're new to TIG, have the cash, and have a dedicated workshop to keep this over 200-pound monster, you can't go wrong with this model. Everlast Power Pro 256S. While big, strong, and powerful machines might make you feel big, strong, and powerful, they're not always the right tool for the job. In fact, if you don't have any big, strong, or powerful work to perform, you might be better off with something like this model, which is reasonably priced, all-purpose, and handles energy consumption smartly. This bad boy has a low amperage cycle. Thanks to the built-in inverter technology, you could run this thing cost-effectively, but still have enough punch to do some very intensive work. It's not the lightest on the list, but it is less than 100 pounds, so it's not prohibitively heavy to get from point A to point B.